If you are learning how to cook Nigerian food, then the first thing has to be stew. We've made chicken stew, beef stew, goat meat stew, and even turkey stew on this page. Today, let's bring it all together and make assorted meat stew. So I'm going to start out by slicing about half of a brown onion, and then I'm going to loosely chop up some peppers. So I've got one bell pepper and one Romano pepper. Then I'm chopping up about 4 tomatoes, and I'm going to take that all away and add it to a blender or a food processor. So I also include some tin chopped tomatoes, those tomatoes that I chopped earlier, brown onion, the peppers, and we cannot forget some Scotch bonnet pepper as well. Now to season our cleaned meat. So I've got some chicken and beef in here, and I'm just going to season it with some salt, black pepper, garlic granules, some chili flakes, a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to mix that all together. Then I'm going to add it all to a pot with a bit of the onion that I sliced earlier on, a chicken stock cube, a beef stock cube, and then I'm just going to steam that with some boiling water for about 20 minutes. I then add some oil to a pot, then I add in my pepper mix, 1 Maggi cube to start, as this is a small portion size, and I let that cook down for about 20 minutes. After that, I add in that chicken and beef stock that I made from boiling my meat. I'm going to take my meat away, cook it in the air fryer. Whilst that's happening, my stew is still simmering away, and then after about 20 minutes, I combine it all together. I add all-purpose to taste, and then I simmer it together for a final 10 to 15 minutes on a low to medium temperature. Serve it with rice and enjoy this truly delicious assorted meat stew. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.